How's it going, guys? Back again for another episode of Eurofed Builds. Today, we're actually going to be checking up on a BMW M2 competition build that we've going on. And this customer pretty much bought everything you can buy for the car. I'm not even joking. Like, he threw the entire catalog at this thing, from full bags, motor build, meth injection, interior. Pretty crazy build. And you can check that out right now. That'll work. So Mari, what's going on, man? Alright, so for you guys who don't know Mari, he's one of our lead technicians here at Eurofed, here at Johns Creek, and he's the one who's been doing all the work on this incredible M2 build. Basically, we're doing a little bit of everything on this, right?
Yes.
No, you're fine. How did this build come about, pretty much?
I guess the customer pretty much called, had a deadline he wanted us to meet for a streetcar takeover in Charlotte, and had a bunch of parts that he wanted to add on. He wanted to go fast and wanted to be low.
Yeah. So let's start off with the suspension, because I think that was the first thing we installed in the car, right?
Yes.
So what do we go with?
So he's got airlift, air ride suspension.
Okay. Also, this is a little bit of a show car build?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit of show, a little bit of go.
Alright. And then, what else? Let's see, because I see you have the seats out of the...
Yeah, so we're installing the Recaro bucket seats.
Ooh, I like the pattern.
Yeah.
Nice. So we're doing that. I can see we're going to be adding this nice little performance wing.
Yeah.
That thing is...
pretty much carbon and everything. We did
Oh yeah, so wait, so all these little things right here?
Yes.
So
in performance, carbon lip, carbon diffuser, carbon winglets, carbon grill. We actually did the carbon inserts on the interior also. So.
Really?
Yes.
What did he not buy?
I don't know. I think he probably ran out of stuff to buy.
Yeah, because I know, and also we do have wheels in the way as well. He got, of course, BBSs.
Yeah.
Because what BMW build isn't without BBSs. And then, and we're not even stopping there, because I know he's got some suspension bits too, right? I mean, not suspension, I mean engine.
Yeah. So we did carbon intake, and we also did carbon charge pipe, and we did an upgraded intercooler. We also installed a snow performance meth injection.
Oh wow! So is it pretty much gonna be full bolt-on, every bolt-on you can get for the engine?
I think after the event, it's gonna come back. We're gonna do a engine build, single turbo setup, and also install the roll cage.
So is it the N55 or the S54?
That's the S55.
Oh, S55. Sorry, I'm doing a VW guy. But so S55, so it's the M4 motor.
Yeah,
basically. So,
yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be fast. Can you show us the air setup? Sorry, I forgot. But actually, yeah, let's back to a regular one. So we got the front, which, by the way, I'm alright. These intakes are beautiful.
Yeah, they're
good.
They're
like
really.
Eventuri is like the Akrapovich of intakes. I swear to God, because everyone's getting them now because they're beautiful. Just beautiful. Would you just look at that? went over and tried. Yeah, as you can see, second. Interior right now is a little bit in pieces, waiting for its new seats. Wait, oh, we did rear seat delete? Yeah, check that out. All right, so we're now at the rear end together, Amari. But so how's your game plan when setting up the air setup? Because I know a lot of people, when installing air suspension, there's a few things you got to keep in mind when installing it. So there's a can you kind of talk us through what the process is?
So pretty much his airlift kit, he had a single pump, and on these M2s, they've got an area right next to the battery, a little trunk area you can kind of hide the pump in.
Yeah.
So I stuck the pump in there, used one of the holes that was actually already in the trunk with a plug, and ran the air lines through there. And also, like, I guess the manifold for the air ride, I kind of hid it behind the tank.
Yeah.
And then I just, you know, the meth tank's so big, I just put it to the side.
I mean, it's a small car, it's got to go somewhere.
Yeah.
But, and plus, it's a show car, so I'm sure trunk space isn't
Yeah, I don't think he was too worried about it. He just kind of told me just to do whatever I felt like.
I mean, no, it looks like a neat little package. Is there a way you can show us how the pump is set up, or the compressors? Let's see. Just a little bit. Oh yeah, so you see right here is where the compressor is and all the lines of the battery. Actually, that makes it a lot easier. I'm used to my Mark IV where mine's all the way in the front, so all the wires had to go across the car. This is all. This actually makes it a lot nicer and neater.
Yeah, there's so many extra wires.
Well, in most cars it's the whole length of a car.
Yeah.
But no, this is nice.
Yeah.
And he brought this tank?
Yeah, he did. He had it painted to match the car.
Yeah, well that's cool.
It's cool.
But no, that's a nice little detail, man. I'm excited for this build. And so this too, he got this carbon fiber piece.
Yep. Yeah, that's the carbon. It's M.
He just wants the BMWs like all of it.
Everything. And also, I guess I can show you the.
Let's see. Oh yeah, so we have a few more parts there. Yeah. So here's the sock seats we have, and then
got the performance steering wheel with the carbon center.
Look at.
And we've also got the VRS downpipes.
Okay, so we're on stage 2.
Yeah.
Do you know what tune we're putting on it?
We're putting it on our own Eurofed tune.
Oh. That's right, guys.
We have 3 map and a E85 map.
We have M2 comp tunes, by the way. Just spoiler alert. Yeah. But damn, this thing is. I'm so jealous of this car.
Yeah.
No, I love these things. These are like the last good-looking BMWs, so to have one build one properly, it's refreshing.
Yeah.
Well,
anything else?
I mean, for now, I mean, we know this is stage 1 of kind of all the tunes. We hit kind of a roadblock where the customer isn't going to need it for a little bit, but he's going to bring it back to us, and that's when the real fun starts in the build, because most of it's just been exterior mods with a few, engine upgrades. But when you see it again, it's going to be a beast. But yeah, Mari, I'll let you get back to what you're doing. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
We had to talk about the crank hub.
Yo, do the crank up, man.
Yeah.
Did you do it?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. No, please do the crank up. Do your crank ups, people. Do your crank ups. I know it's expensive. Do it. Or buy an engine. Your choice. Crank up or engine.
Format to M format. I got new format.
Where, these are them?
No, it's the old.
Where's the M4 format?
Over here.
All right, 1 second. We're back 1 second because they make M Performance floor mats. Oh look, fresh in the bag. Bro. Oh my god. So nice. They make an M Performance part for everything.
Yeah.
I mean, yo, let me get an M Performance door handle, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're done.
Wow, what the hell going on with y'all? What's up? How you doing?
Too close, man. Too close. Oh shit. Oh shit.
That's right. Don't take it. Not on myself. My ass where you take it. Look at this thing right here. You see this RO? It's my RO.
Yo, we're gonna put this on the fridge so everyone can see it.
Yeah, wait. Come here. Come here. Check it out. Right there.
There we go. Everyone can see it.
Everyone can see my
We
beautiful
see how
RO.
proud we are of
Look at
you.
how beautiful it is. It's great. No.
Okay, bye.